Well, I'm ready to dance. Where's my partner?
Well, Sauli, it doesn't take two for this kind of tango.
Okay, what kind of tango this is?
Don't worry, Sauli, we will show you.
Hi there, I'm Sauli, a usual Finnish guy who just loves traveling around, exploring the unknown, and is always up for new adventures. As you might have heard, Finland was found to be the happiest country in the world for the fourth time in a row. It's time to take a closer look at my home country and take you on the most exciting journey of all, the happiness road trip. There are so many cool things to experience here in the north, and some that are new to me as well. So welcome on a trip across Finland to find out how life looks like here in the north. Let's go!
Good morning everyone and welcome to Happy with Finns road trip around Finland all the way from the south to the north. Now I'm in Helsinki, the happiest city in the world. This is my hometown and this is how I like start my day year around. Swimming in the Baltic Sea is the best way start day. I have asked a local travel expert to plan my road trip because I don't even know everything about Helsinki. So let's read what they have planned for me. I'm so excited. Good morning, Sauli. Oh, thank you. Welcome to Helsinki. Your first stop today will be on the island of Vollisari. Okay, interesting. So collect a city bike and cycle through the city to the ferry stop. More info will be given when you arrive. Alright, I'm ready to go. Hyvää matkaa, as we say in Finnish. Okay, now I want to do a little stop here and rent some traveling book. And look at the place, it's amazing, it's the coolest library in the world. Okay, I got this book by Tove Jansson and I heard it's really good. But now it's time to go. Hey Sauli and welcome to Vollisari, an old military island outside Helsinki with unique history and nature. Roam freely in its surrounding and fill your mind with inspiration and your body with fresh sea air as you are going to need them later. Really interesting. That's the beauty of Helsinki, because we have amazing nature and great art.
I'm ready to experience something totally new. Alla Siipul, here we come.
Sulla on ihanan näköisiä mansikoita.
Ehdottomasti. Kato nyt mikä valikoima suomalaisia mansikoita. Meillä on maailman paras mansikka. Tiedätkö minkä takia?
No minkä takia?
12 tuntia aurinkoa, 14
Ai. Hei, kiitos sulle, hyvät päivänjatkat.
Kiitos sulle.
Oh my god, this strawberry is so good, and I have to say, Finnish strawberry is best in the world. Delicious.
I'm now here at the Alla Siipul. I actually know this place pretty well. I often come here to swim and enjoy saunas.
Oh my god. I think I'm not going to swim today.
No, but some healthy sweating, so you might need some freshening up later. Can you guess what the main event of today is?
Well, if I look at your outfit, I think we're going to dance.
Yes, you guessed right.
We Finns are probably best not known from our small talk, but we love to express our true feelings. So, the popularity of something as intimate as tango does not come as a surprise. And if you ask us, this trait is one of the key reasons why we are the happiest people in the world.
Well, I'm ready to dance. Where's my partner?
Well, Sauli, it doesn't take two for this kind of tango.
Okay, what kind of tango this is?
Don't worry, Sauli, we will show you. And for those who are watching us from home, please join us. This is the perfect way to enjoy dancing, even if you don't have a dance partner.
This is air tango.
Air tango has a strong connection with Finnish lavatanssi, a Finnish tradition.
Air tango is about
Imagination
humor
and
passion.
First, raise your hands and imagine that you have a dance partner.
Then we start with the left foot. Slow and side step.
Slowly.
Okay, one more time.
Take care of your imaginational dance partner, and the passion is the key word in this air tango. More feeling.
Wow! Whoa! Wow! Looks really good and really exciting. Okay.
Slide.
Air five. Woo.
Air five. Hey, thank you, Matti. Thank you, Katri.
Thank you.
Now I have to go. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my god, that was so much fun. And this is what you should try when you visit in Finland. Hey, if you like it, you can do your own freestyle air tango and share it. Hashtag #HappyWithFinns. Okay, that was so much fun. The whole day actually. And Helsinki day was perfect combo of urban views, relaxing in nature and some action. So many cool things to see here. Helsinki took me by surprise. Hope you too. Can't wait to travel with you to our next destination. Until then, moi moi.
Helsinki check. Next stop Tampere, Finnish Lakeland. Here we come.